Hindi ko pa na ipopost yung video. Meron agad nag-comment. Ipaliwanag mo, tanda. Okay. Front brakes sa cornering. Paliwanag natin kung bakit siya nagiging beneficial. Ano ang maitutulong ng front brakes sa cornering. Okay. So kapag in-apply natin ng front brakes while approaching the corner, number 1, we are slowing down to the appropriate corner entry speed. Ngayon, kapag nakuha natin yung magandang corner entry speed, we can set up the corner properly and safely para hindi tayo maaksidente o makakaaksidente ng iba. Now, if we continue to use the front brakes into the corner, okay, the front brake will, okay, number 2, shift the weight forward to the front wheel. At kapag mas mabigat yung weight bias to the front wheel, the front tire will have more grip. Kasi grip comes from weight. Okay? Isa sa mga factors ng grip is yung weight. So kapag yung weight bias ay nasa front, more weight to the front, so more grip to the front. Kailangan natin ng grip, ng front grip sa corners. Kapag yung front grip ang nawala sa cornering or nabawasan or na-compromise, yun yung semplang na. Maglo-low side na tayo nun. Yung rear grip sa cornering, kailangan din naman siya. Pero minsan kapag nawalan ng grip yung rear tire or nagkaroon ng loss of traction, pwede nating i-save yun eh. At saka ang iba ginagawa pa nga yun ng deliberately, yung sa drifting, di ba? Okay, so napalayo tayo ng usapan. Going back to the front brakes. So kapag nag-shift yung weight bias to the front, it gives the front tire more grips. More grip, hindi pala grips. Ay naku, matanda na talaga. Okay. And another thing, number 3, using the front brakes while cornering, it compresses the suspension. Okay? Kapag nakakompress ang suspension, nagbabago yung tinatawag na suspension geometry. Now, yung suspension geometry, yun yung rake at saka yung trail. Kapag ginamitan mo ng front brakes at nag-compress ang suspension or nag-dive yung front end, lumiliit yung rake angle at umiikli yung mechanical trail. Kapag nangyari yun, mas nagiging agile yung motor. Ang ibig sabihin ng agile is mas maliksi yung response ng motor. And the motorcycle wants to turn. Mas gusto niyang lumiko. Kasi kapag ang rake angle ay malaki at kapag ang trail ay mas mahaba, the motorcycle wants to go straight. But if you can make the rake angle smaller and you can shorten the trail, the bike wants to turn. Eh, di ba, nasa cornering ka. So, yun yung mas gusto mo. Yung dalawang bagay na yun. More grip and agility. So, using the front brakes will give you those two things. And those two things, yun lang yung kailangan mo for cornering. Para makuha mo yung corner ng mas masaya. Ika nga. So yun lang naman yung napakasimpleng paliwanag dyan. Pwede natin yung pag-usapan maghapon in a scientific way, pero that means kailangan mo makipag-date sa akin. Eh kung nagbibiro lang si tanda. Alright, so sana nakatulong yan. I will see you on another video.